Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up linear roadmaps for planning and prioritization, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Begin by understanding what a linear roadmap is.
A linear roadmap visually represents the progression of projects or tasks over time.
Start with a clear objective for your roadmap.
Identify the key initiatives you want to focus on.
Gather input from your team or stakeholders to ensure alignment. Determine the time frame for your roadmap.
Choose whether your roadmap will cover weeks, months, or even years.
List all the tasks or projects in order of priority. Assess the dependencies between tasks to understand their relationships.
For each task, estimate the resources required. Create a visual layout for your roadmap using tools like spreadsheets or dedicated software.
Begin by plotting your timeline on the horizontal axis. Add your tasks or projects along the timeline vertically. Use colors or symbols to differentiate between various types of tasks. Incorporate deadlines or milestones to mark significant points.
Review your roadmap with your team for feedback. Make adjustments based on the input received.
Once finalized, share your roadmap with stakeholders.
Regularly update the roadmap as projects progress or priorities change. Communicate any adjustments to keep everyone informed. Stay flexible and be prepared to pivot when necessary. By following these steps, you will create an effective linear roadmap for planning and prioritization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.